I am Matt Hilburn, design manager of Mopar, and behind me here is our 1967 Plymouth GTX Electromod Concept. This is our take at a zero-emission classic muscle car. And some of the first things you'll notice is the frostbite blue paint with the black accented stripes and some little vintage bronze details here or there. This car features a full custom carbon fiber hood, inner and outer. We've tucked the bumpers a little bit to make everything a little more streamlined, custom headlamps, and a custom carbon fiber front splitter. Moving down the car a little bit, you'll see our custom 18-inch wheels. Those are also done in vintage bronze. We have a full custom interior here. Unique seats. We built a full custom center console with cup holders because obviously that's important. Custom steering wheel, radio delete, kept it very user-centric on the interior of this car. Fans of the 1967 GTX will probably notice we've modified the rear wheel arch. The factory car clips the wheel a little bit, so we opened that up to make it a little bit more sporty looking. Moving around to the back of the car, we have a custom carbon fiber rear spoiler. We have a custom deck lid panel and modified rear tail lamp bezels. We've tucked and smoothed the rear bumper to match what's going on at the front. We've replaced the fuel filler door with a nice custom charge port door that resembles some of the flip-top caps of old Mopars. And those are just some of the cool design details on our 67 Plymouth GTX Electromod Concept.
What I get to do is talk about this beautiful marriage between classic Mopar heritage and future technologies. And what we have under the hood here is a 250 kilowatt electric motor system, which is actually the same motor system in our production Stellantis vehicles. It's attached to a 73 kilowatt hour battery, and it's a total of a 400 volt system. And what we've done here is introduce this in a classic vehicle, but allow you to still have that rear-wheel drive setup. And basically what we needed to do is take a motor system set up for east-west configuration, rotate it 90 degrees, and then set it up so there's minimal tear-up to the vehicle itself. This is our 1967 Plymouth GTX Electromod Concept.